Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a project in Claude AI. So first of all, come here on Claude AI, then sign in into your account in order to get access to your dashboard. Now, in order to create the project, you need to hover over to the left hand side, then click on the second option of projects. Now, when you are here, you will see the option of new project. So simply just click on the option of new project. Now you need to give the name of your project. So let's say I'm going to give it a name as test or testing. Then you need to describe what you are going to do in this particular project. So Claude doesn't use the name or the description as the project context, but for your own understanding, you can just simply provide these details. Then click on the option of create project. So once the project creation finishes, the project is going to basically look something like this, and you will be inside this particular section where you can start giving the instructions. Here in the right hand side you are going to see the instructions. So in this particular project you can provide some certain types of instructions, and Claude AI is going to basically use those instructions in order to create the chats and the conversations for you. You can also provide the context related information over here. If you have any text format, any PDF document available, you can upload it here and it also works the same. So over here you just have to describe how you want the conversation to be, then simply hit enter. Then it is going to basically respond as per the instructions that you give it to, and this particular thing is going to be created a file which will be under the project that you have created. So that's how you can create a project in Claude AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.